Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice for Purpose by NSS IIT Bombay.
According to a report published in 2019, the global government space budgets totaled to $70.9 billion in 2018, which is nearly 5.5 lakh crores in Indian rupees. Huge amount, huh? At first glimpse, any one of us may surely feel that what is the use of knowing about the galaxies when many of us don't even know what they are? A question arises which needs to be answered. Should we spend all the huge amounts of money on space explorations despite of the innumerable humanitarian problems that exist in the society? Problems that persist in our immediate vicinity and not in some XYZ unknown corners of the universe? Let us try to form a more informed opinion and answer this question. First, we shall try to understand the thinking line of those researchers who believe that in a time of collapsing national economies and worldwide austerity measures, investment in space is a bad use of resources. The amount of money being spent on space research is large, and it has achieved extraordinarily little except for a bit of improved technology, which would probably have come about anyway by other means. It will not be wrong if I say that every one of three people around us can be found whining about inflation in one or the other method, whether it's petrol prices or grocery rates. Around 7% of India's total population is below the poverty line. Will these 8.4 crore people be very happy to know that the Indian government is willing to spend nearly 15,000 crores to know about the distant world when their families fight even for 2 square meals a day? I think not. Basically, the thought is if we put the money that is wasted in space into the hands of climatologists and strive for sustainability, we could have lasting benefits for mankind. Space science is not a bad science, it's just a waste of time. Now, it's time to flip the coin and see the other side. Before I start in favor of the motion that space exploration is important, I want you to understand that I believe that we, human beings, are indeed messing up the environment. We are wiping out species faster than any natural disaster in the history of planet Earth. We are performing a dangerous experiment on the climate of the planet, increasing temperatures worldwide with devastating consequences for both ecosystems and human civilization. Unless we get this under control, and there is no reason to believe we will, we are going to raise temperatures to levels unseen in millions of years. We are even polluting the space around the Earth with debris that might tear apart future space missions. I do believe in science, and science says we are making a mess. The first thing is that this whole question is a false dilemma fallacy. Why do we have to choose between space exploration and saving the planet? Why can't we do both? The world spent nearly $932.11 billion on cigarettes in 2020, 70 lakh crores in Indian rupees. NASA's total budget as of now is $22.6 billion. How about the whole world stops smoking and we spend the $20 million on colonizing Mars and the other $900 billion on renewable fuels and sustainability, reducing poverty and giving people access to clean water? Gambling, lawn care, food ornaments, weapons of war. It is estimated that the Indian sports betting market alone is worth 3 to 4 billions. We spend billions on the unknown future. Is it better than space research? Is it necessary? Even home decor and other similar stuff. Humans spend a lot of money on a lot of things that could be redirected towards both space exploration and reducing our environmental impact. Number 2. It might turn out that space exploration is the best way to save the Earth. Jeff Bezos, the CEO of the multinational company Amazon, once said that we already know that Earth is the best place on our solar system. Let's keep it that way, no? Mars might be a fascinating place to visit and an adventure to colonize, but I want to swim in rivers, climb mountains, walk in forests, watch birds, and sail in the ocean. But the way we are using up the natural environment will take away all that from us. As Bezos says, we should move all the heavy industry off the Earth and up into space. Use solar collectors to gather power, mine asteroids for their raw materials, keep Earth as pristine as possible. We won't know how to do that unless we go into space and learn how to survive and run that industry from space. Also, until we found proof otherwise, we have to assume that the Earth is the only place in the universe that evolved intelligent life. And until aliens show up and say, "Don't worry humans, we have got this," we have to assume that the responsibility for seeding life with intelligence rests on us. and we are one asteroid strike or nuclear apocalypse away from snuffing that out. I don't entirely agree that Mars is the best place to do it, but we should at least have another party going on somewhere. I hope I have aligned your thinking in one way or the other. At least we rose above from our noob level thinking of I don't know, I don't care. I will leave the rest to your wisdom and thinking process and hope that the doomsday is quite far.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.